Hey there! In this video, we are going to walk you through how to create a clickable map for your website using artificial intelligence. It's a super handy way to highlight different areas, whether you're showcasing neighborhoods, service zones, or just want to make your site more interactive and fun. Let's dive in. Imagine this is your website and you want to create a clickable map for these areas. This time we are going to use Google Gemini to generate the map. We can ask something like, please create a clickable map for these areas. Doral, Miami, and Kendall. Use leaflet. Gemini will now generate the map code for us. Let's copy it and paste it into Fiddle to preview the result. Alright, here is the map. It includes 3 map pins placed at the locations we specified earlier. Each pin is interactive. You can click on them to get more information. If we take a closer look at the code, we will see the specific lines where we need to make changes to replace the current URLs with our IDX saved links URLs. Let's find the 3 links we need to change. Here is the first one for Doral. Let's copy the corresponding URL from the website. You can also copy it from the IDX dashboard if you prefer it. As you can see, it is a simple copy and paste process. We have to do the same for the other 2 locations. Here is Miami. Let's get the URL. Then we have Kendall, the last one we need to replace. We have the 3 links now. Let's run the code again. All locations have their IDX link. Let's try one. This is a results page with listings from that location. The map is functional but doesn't match the website design. We are using dark colors on the website. We can ask Gemini to apply a dark theme. And why not? We can also ask for golden map pins. Gemini is generating a new code for us. Simply copy the updated code and paste it into JS Fiddle. Just like that, you'll have a dark, clickable map that matches your website's style. That's it for this one. I hope you are now able to create custom maps for your own site.